Okay, so this is going to be how to take your neutral safety switch out of your um, Jeep with the AW4 transmission. So the neutral safety switch is right between your feed line and your drain line on your AW4. The safety switch is right here. So in the vehicle it will be kind of more difficult, but as you can see right here, there's some clips and stuff like that. Just take a screwdriver and go ahead and push it up like this, and push that zip tie out. So you could just go ahead and take this out, just like that. So that one on. And there's another one right here, so just the same thing. Just like that. This one actually looked broken, so so this is all my spare AW4 transmission. Still works good, but just make a video. So there's two bolts, well, one nut, but there's one bolt here that's a 1/2 inch or a 12 millimeter. So take that off. I already went ahead and just broke it loose, so it comes out easy. Alright, so there's that. Then the next thing is right here. You would need a flathead screwdriver, and just there's little tabs on here to lock the nut down. So go ahead and just bend those tabs. Around just like that. Then this nut is a 7/8, so go ahead. Don't have to loosen up. Don't have to take it all the way out. So now once you got that done, you need to pry it off of here. So just go ahead and do that. Take your screwdriver. It's a little pain, but just work it off that shaft, and will come out. I will have a video on how to fix if your neutral safety switch is not working and how you will fix that. But for this video, I'll just be showing you how to take it out and where it's at. So I need some more leverage. sometimes they're just a pain to get out. They've been just so gunked up with dirt and crap. Little sippy on this cart. This furniture dolly. There it goes. Come on. So when you take this off, you need to put your Jeep in park. It's just something good to do once you put it back on for assembly. Park or neutral, either one works. There it goes. There, nice. Sweet. Okay, so here's the neutral safety switch. It's now off. To just reinstall it, it's just putting it back on. Pretty much same process. Take something, slightly tap it. There it goes. It's up against it. The case. Throw this one on. So there's a adjustment in this, as you could tell right there, in the hole. I'll go over that when we install it. When we get it fixed and stuff like that. So basically, just throw this down like that, and same thing with this. Basically, this nut, it has a collar in the center of it, and when you tighten this nut on it, don't have to be too tight, too tight than that. But anyways, this nut will squeeze down on that collar. That will squeeze down on this shaft. So just give it a good snug, not too much. Good turn, and now put these pieces down. Just like that. So yeah, pretty simple. Take one of these off. Next video will be what I mentioned. Would be fixing this. How to fix that. So yeah.